Hi, my name is Chen Wang, and I'm a solution architect from AI21 Labs. Here, I will demonstrate how to obtain our large language model Jamba 1.5 Mini from Databricks Marketplace. AI21 Labs develops efficient large language model with long effective context window to power enterprise GenAI use cases. To get started, we navigate to the Marketplace homepage and select AI21 Labs from the provider list. After clicking on the model listing, you can see an overview of the model and a notebook embedded in the listing. Let's now scroll up and click the button to get instant access to the model. The model will then be added in a shared catalog. In your Unity catalog, select the model. You can deploy it to a serving endpoint. Give the endpoint a name, select GPU large as the compute type, and choose the appropriate scale-out option based on your concurrency requirement, and hit the create button. Once the endpoint is created, you can query the endpoint in your Databricks notebook using the coding snippet here. The coding example are also included in the embedded notebook. When querying your model, serving endpoint, just enter your Databricks token, the endpoint URL with your user prompt to get a response from the Jamba model. You can also load the model directly from Unity catalog and use it in your active notebook session without needing to create an endpoint. Now you know the steps to access, install, and use the Jamba model in your Databricks account. You can effectively tackle long context GenAI use cases such as Q&A, summarization, and comparison of SEC public company earnings report, medical research papers, and manufacturing operation manuals. Feel free to reach out to us for additional support with your GenAI use cases.